Yo, 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 yo! You're now building credit with Rezily. And today I just want to talk to you guys about our channel that we have launched officially today as of right now. In our channel, what you will be learning is how to boost your credit score, get amazing credit, remove negative items, remove inquiries, and also just learning hacks on how to pay your credit cards so your credit usage will report positively. So I really do appreciate everybody for tuning in and watching. We have some real exclusive good content on the way. And if you just stay tuned and just follow the steps, you will have a good credit score. Actually, an excellent credit score. And I can just guarantee you that. So enjoy the ride, and I appreciate it. Chill.